NSK iCare installation. Let's install your iCare lubrication machine. The first step is to locate the air valve. Then, connect the air line to the air valve in your practice. iCare is normally installed in the sterilization area to a 3/8-inch air valve. Use the 5mm or 1/4-inch air tube included in the package. You can use a proper adapter on that valve to make a secure connection with the tube using this part. For this demonstration, we use a pre-installed Quick Connect. Once you have the tube connected to the air valve, insert the opposite end of the tube into the air filter located at the back of your iCare. Check the connection with a slight push and pull. Next, open the air valve to check for any air leakage sounds. If the connection looks and sounds good, then roll up the tube and store the tube behind your iCare. Note: the optimum air pressure for this machine is 72 to 87 psi. The air should be clean and dry. Now it's time to connect the power cord. Insert the connector to the back of the iCare unit first, and then plug the power into a wall outlet. Test the power by switching the power on and then off. You should see lights on the display. Now, let's fill the oil tank with maintenance oil. Remove the sticker with priming instructions from the top of your iCare. Open the top cover and remove the cap on the oil tank. Insert the nozzle into the bottle and slowly pour the entire bottle into the tank. The oil tank capacity is larger than the amount of fluid you will be adding, so it will not overfill. Put the cap back on top of the tank and tighten by turning clockwise. Pro tip: 1 bottle of maintenance oil is enough for approximately 3,000 cycles of lubricating. When reordering, make sure to order the correct type of oil using the part number Z016130. If you have any further questions, please visit our support site, nsktech-us.com.